Hey guys, it's Brian again. Wanted to bring you another quick update on Project Dart. We do now have the side skirts and rear bumper in their final fitment stage. They are ready to be removed one last time to be wrapped in vinyl, and then they'll go back on. We have not installed the rubber welting at the top edge yet. We're waiting to do that until the car is wrapped. As you see, the password JDM hardware is in place. The side skirts are in a good fitment stage now. The doors close without rubbing them. We spent a lot of time making those fit. The rear bumper is fits good and tight all the way around now. Once the welding's on there, it'll look like one piece. We also attended a local car show today. I'll post the slideshow of the photos on YouTube here in a couple hours tonight that shows all the cars that were at that show. We were lucky enough to be chosen as their best of show today. Received this cool award right here in the center, the black one. It's got to be by far one of the coolest awards I've received with this car so far. We have another show next Saturday, and then we will be rolling the car in a shop to start the wrap process. We're going to start with the roof in the next couple weeks, and then over the next several weeks we will wrap the remaining part of the car. Also this winter the wheels are being sent off to a local powder coater. We're not sure on the color yet until the wrap is on the car, but I'm thinking it's probably going to be a gold or copper color. The wheels are just pitted and have a lot of rock chips, and it's time for something different and to recoat them. The front lip is supposed to be here this week. I'll post another update once it's installed. It'll also have password JDM hardware on the outside corners in the front of the wheel wells. Also, one other thing, we've accumulated quite a few OEM parts in this build that are up for sale. I've tried for several months now to sell the interior panels on eBay with not a whole lot of luck. If any of you guys are looking for gray interior panels, get a hold of me in the comments section here, and we can work out a price and shipping and all that. I'm willing to make a deal to get this out of here. Example is, here's the center console, both rear door panels, the passenger side front panel, OEM exhaust tips. We also have the under dash panel for below the steering wheel. We have the AC control bezel and the glove box, and they're all, like I said, they're all gray. We switched our interior to black. We have no need for these parts. They're taking up room, and I really hate to throw them away because there's nothing wrong with them. Also, over here in this corner, that is a Dart transmission, but it's getting rebuilt here as a spare for us. It's fifth gears out of it currently. Also for sale, though, is the OEM hood. It's in Blue Streak Pearl currently. Obviously, it can be repainted if you need it to be for your car. Otherwise, the paint on the hood is in pretty good condition. I mean, it has your minor rock chips and things, but could make a good hood for somebody that, you know, has possibly crashed their Dart. Like I said, though, if you guys are interested in any of those parts we have for sale, let me know. Oh, and there is also an OEM intercooler around here somewhere that has nothing wrong with it. We upgraded the intercooler a long time ago, and it's still laying around here somewhere too if someone needs it. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel. Continue liking the videos. And I'll bring you an update next week when we get the front lip installed. and then I will post videos throughout the wrap process so you guys can continue to follow the progress. Thank you again.